is this is going to blow your mind if you think your job is safe from the digital takeover. Here's a wake-up call. First up, telemarketing. Why chat when AI can talk? Automated voices are taking over, one call at a time. Next, manufacturing workers. Robots in factories aren't new, but they're getting smarter, faster, and don't need coffee breaks. Paralegals, brace yourselves. AI scans thousands of documents in seconds. No law degree required. Retail is changing too. Ever met a checkout-free store? Thanks to AI, they're popping up everywhere. Drivers, the writings on the wall with autonomous vehicles, cruising the fast lane. Travel agents, virtual reality trips, and AI planners are booking your tickets to obsolescence. And let's not forget printers and publishers. Ebooks and digital media are turning the page on traditional printing. Lastly, postal workers. As digital communication dominates, snail mail is crawling to a halt. The future is here, and it's programmed. Are you?